Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name's Joanne and I make cleaning and organisation videos, and in today's video I'm doing something a little bit different. So this one's going to be a quick video, but I'm doing a 10-minute tidy. So I just wanted to see what I could get done in 10 or so minutes because I don't always have large chunks of time to do cleaning, and in this instance the bathroom was pretty neglected, so I chose that and worked on getting it done in 10 minutes. If you have an area in your home that will take 10 minutes or less to clean and you've been putting it off, then join along with me and clean that area in your home and you'll feel so much better for doing it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. You can check out some of my other videos linked above here, and I'll see you in my next one.